Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone from original M2 drive to a larger 2TB M2 drive. So in previous video, I show how to upgrade the 2TB M.2, and right now I'll be doing the cloning process. Okay. This laptop here doesn't have the CD slot, so I'll be using the external DVD drive. And the process of cloning, I'll be using Acronis version of this cloning software. All right, let me go ahead and put it in and do a Control-Alt-Delete and pressing F12. So F12 is the boot menu for Lenovo. When you get to the F12, now you want to go to that USB device, which is the DVD. Press enter. And here you can see that, hopefully you can stay focused. It say press 1 for Acronis through image 64. I'm going to hit 1. Try to focus my finger so you guys can see the screen. Okay, focus the finger, the hand. No, I don't know. And again, the disk is not free. I actually got to pay for the software, which is, you can get it from Amazon. I think I paid $59.99 perpetual license, meaning that you pay one time and you don't have to pay again. I think they do sell the subscription version for a lower price, but you have to pay every year. I figured I just need that one-time license and I shouldn't be paying the software again and again. So once you paid for the software, you download, install, then you can create a bootable disk. This is what they call the bootable disk, where you can just boot it directly to the disk and then do the cloning process. Okay. So here again, the computer have the original hard drive, which is the 512 gigabytes, and I installed the 2TB M.2 drive, which is Samsung Evo 970 Plus. So I installed this M.2 2TB. What my goal right now is to clone the original 512 into the 2TB, and I'll be formatting that hard drive, so turn it into a secondary 512 M2 drive. Okay, now if you're not sure how to install the 2TB, please check the link on my channel. I'll try to link it if I remember, but you can go ahead and check it out and how to upgrade to a 2TB. All right, hurry up, it's taking too long to just boot to the disk. I should have created a USB stick. Anyway, it looks like you're coming up. All right, here you go. You can see that it says Acronis through image. First, I like to do. Oh, you do not recognize the touchpad. Okay, so since the computer do not recognize the touchpad, I need to use a wired mouse. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, so I'm going to go to Tools and Utilities, Clone Disk, Automatic, click Next. So the source, again, is the 512, which has the C drive, the Windows, right? The bootable Windows, and I'm going to click Next. So once you selected the source, the next one you want to select the target disk, which is the 2TB Samsung Evo 970. Select that. Brand new, hasn't been initialized. So click that and click Next. To replace a disk on this machine, clone with bootable OS. Exactly, that's what I want. You have other option to use to another machine, clone it to a different machine. Nope, I'm using the same laptop, so I'm gonna pick the first one, click next, and then it will tell you before you have 2 terabyte empty. Once the cloning is successfully done, you would have that amount of space. Okay, and proceed, and just have to wait. Hopefully the cloning process should be a quick one. There wasn't much data to begin with. It's just pretty much brand new hard drive. I just feel like the hard drive is too small to run at 512. After a couple of games you download, probably it's going to fill up the entire drive. So better get it done now than later. I'll be cloning into 2 terabyte. I have plenty of room for the future upgrade or more games to download. So that's the whole goal of upgrading the 2 terabyte. Just a quick shout out. Well, really not a shout out. Just a quick, wow, it's already done. I can't believe it's that fast. The 2 terabyte, if you're not sure where to buy them, I'll link it down in the description below. I got it through Amazon. All right, so this was successfully cloned. You click OK. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Close it, exit out, and let's press F2, F12. I should be able to see 2 hard drive in it, as well as the CD. Yep, you can see that the Samsung right now is showing up, right, because it has the Windows install being cloned, and this is the original 512 SK Hynix 512, and this is the Samsung Evo 970, and that is the DVD that I have. I'm going to remove my disk, eject the disk. Okay, eject the disk, put it away, and remove the USB external DVD, and there you have it. So I can just go to the Evo and hit enter. It would boot to the Windows, and I should be all good to go. All right, so I'm just going to cover up the username and the pictures. I do not want to show that in the public, so let me go ahead and cover that up. And as you can see that the screen is good, right? So there you go. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, comment down below. Until next time, bye now.